and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make shortcut on the Snapchat. So if you want to send a streak on the daily basis to your friend, you can create a shortcut for it. But how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to click on the Snapchat, click a picture from here, click on the send to from the right bottom. Once you will do it, here you will see shortcut option, simply click on it. Now you have to click on the new shortcut. From here you can add your friends you want to add in the shortcut. Now select any emoji for it. Once you will do it, now you can simply click on the create shortcut. Once you will do it, your shortcut will be created. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.